Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel, I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's lip combo of the day, as you guys can see, I actually have on some makeup today. I was like, you know what? I'm determined to get up, put on some makeup, and get myself together. Here's still a mess, okay? Here's in a little messy bun, but it's clean. It's clean. I washed it a couple days ago, so we're good. Okay, so my lip of the day is actually going to be an old MAC lip liner. This one is in Night Mauve. Now, originally, this lip is not what I was going for, but I was just like, I put it on and I was like, we're gonna go with it. So Night Mauve is a really, really dark purple color. I actually wanted a dark brown, but somehow we got this and I was like, we're gonna stick with that. So I'm using my Night Mauve and I'm using MAC and Aaliyah collab. Y'all remember this? I'm pretty sure I've used this before, but this is the Lip Glass in Brooklyn Born. And it's just a really pretty champagne-y iridescent like lip color. Really, really cute, you guys. And that is how we got this. So yeah, you guys, that is my lip combo for the day. All right, you guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we have a BBW haul, you guys. Yes, it is a small haul, okay? I'm sorry about this little glare from this light. Ugh, it's nothing I can really do about that. Y'all know I film with natural light, okay? We're not gonna walk into 2026 acting like we don't know your girl films with natural light, okay? So just love me and be here for me until further notice. But yeah. So we have a little haul. I'm going to start with the SAS stuff since SAS is officially over, okay? So I got one little bag and I only picked up 3 things. Now, the store to pick up my haul on Sunday, obviously they still had a table full of SAS stuff. And there was like 1 or 2 things I wanted to get, but I just didn't because the line was too long. And I was just there to pick up my stuff. 3 items. Everything at this point should have been 75% off, but you know, they're not. They still have the $7.99 candles. They also have $10.99 candles. So the first thing that I got for 75% off, I finally went ahead and picked up the Vanilla Cafe perfume. And I was really excited because the original price is $60 on here. And I got it for, I think, $14 or $15. And this is what it looks like, and it smells really, really nice. I thought it was so funny that Vanilla Cafe and Vanilla Ease was on sale, but Vanilla Romance isn't. So are they keeping that one around or whatever? I do love Vanilla Romance. Like, I don't want them to discontinue it, but I was able to get the Vanilla Romance pen on sale during SAS for like, I don't remember how much it was, but I ended up getting that on sale. I thought that was weird that that was on sale but nothing else was, or I don't know. Okay, and then I ended up getting 2 candles. I went back because I wanted to get the Milk Bar candles since they were finally on sale. I mean, I think they've been on sale since the beginning of SAS, but I wasn't into getting candles, y'all. I went ahead and got the Milk Bar birthday cake. I'm so happy to have this one finally. You guys, they literally only had 1 left, and I think it was because this was my order that they had held for me, and then I didn't go back the next day. So they literally only had 1 left, and I was so salty because the day that I went, that my gift card wasn't working. It was something wrong. Their machines were down. They had a bunch of these candles and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get a couple. But yeah, this smells really good. Oh, man, I'm super sad that they didn't have any of the Milk Bar, like the actual birthday cake line, at any of my stores during SAS. Where did they go? Like, I swear they were still there prior to, and then I went and they didn't have anything. Let me know if any of you guys was able to score any of the actual birthday cake scents for SAS outside of the candle, like the body care, because my stores didn't have any and I really wanted a body spray. Like I really wanted another body spray, but they didn't have anything. So yeah, I got the candle. Very, very happy about it, to have it in my collection. I do wish I was able to get 2 of these so I can burn one and keep one, but it is what it is. All right, and then the last candle that I end up getting from that collection is obviously cereal milk soft serve. So this has to be one that not a lot of people liked, because when I went back, they still had a ton of these, and I probably should have got 2, but I wasn't really thinking. They actually had a lot of the the holiday pickle, and they had a lot of the rum something. It was like a reindeer rum or something like that. They had a lot of that one as well. But yeah, I'm happy to have had this one, so I'm excited about that, and I'm happy I have this one in my collection. So that's basically everything I got from the last day of SAS. Then they brought out some new collections. It is the brand new musk collection. We have the fruity musk, the fresh musk, and then we have the warm musk. You guys, I literally just did a video on this collection, so if you have not seen that, please check it out. I will have it linked. I like this collection so far. Okay, so far I do like the collection. I only got the sprays and they were $5.95 at the time, so that is the reason why I got them. They are $18.95, so they are reward eligible. So yeah, the collection is pretty cool so far, and like I said, I watched the video, and then I did end up getting 2 more items. Okay, so y'all know they have some new stuff out, obviously, like early Valentine's Day stuff. So they have a lot of new rose scents, or returning rose scents. So they have covered in roses, they have I think rose and vanilla, they have the actual rose scent, and then they have a man scent, nocturnal rose. I think that's the name of it. Y'all know me, I'm not big into florals, I'm not big into rose, but covered in roses is not a bad scent. I want to say I do have one of those in my collection already, so I kind of skipped that one. But since I had a free mini, I went ahead and got the covered in roses in the mini size. This is $18.95, so the mini size reward is $9.95. So I did get that. So let's go ahead and spray her. Okay, so somebody sprayed her because it wasn't me. I don't remember the scent notes in here, but it is a very, very strong rose scent. I do think it's very beautiful. Like, if you love, it screams womanly feminine. It's like feminine and powerful, if that makes sense. But it's very, very strong. I'll tell you that. It's very strong. So I do have it in the mini. So if I don't have it in the full size, I at least have it in the mini. Honestly, I don't know that this is something that I would personally purchase because I'm not into florals. I did smell a couple of the things from the collection and they did smell nice. They have the perfume pen. They also have a body butter. So if you are really into rose scents, I think you will like that. Now, I would consider purchasing body butter just because I love a good body butter. Beautiful like Valentine's Day scent, or like, this is really pretty. Not 100% like me. So it's something that I have to get used to, but I'm glad I have it in the mini so that I can play with it. And then if I do end up enjoying it, we can work on getting a full size if I don't have one in my collection already. If I do, then I won't be getting a full size because, again, I don't wear this type of scent enough to want that. But it makes me wonder if they're going to put this in like their permanent line, because people really, really love this scent. So yeah. And then the very last item I got, where did it go? Came from the new luxury line, you guys. Yes, I did notice that they only had the sprays and the body cream, so maybe they'll eventually come out with the body washes. I'm not sure. Y'all know how BBW do, but they came out with a couple new scents. Now, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, a lot of them were not scents that I personally enjoyed or liked. I don't remember how many new scents they came out with, but I know they came out with a coconut scent. Y'all know I'm not into coconut, but that one wasn't bad. They came out with re-returning, like 2 re-returning scents. Out with, again, the Infinite Radiance, which they literally just brought out. They brought that one out on their own, but that's still in stores, which I love, by the way. They actually have one that I don't know the name of it, but it's supposed to be a dupe for Clinique's Happy that actually smells pretty nice. And then it might be two or three other ones, I don't know. But I had a reward, so I went ahead and used it on one of these scents, and I'll just tell you guys, I love it. I know exactly what I was duping, and I'm happy to have it in a spray form. This is called Love Unleashed, and this is sugared pink pepper, warm neroli, and whipped marshmallow. If you do not know, this is supposed to be duping Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy, which was one of my all-time favorite perfumes for a really, really long time. I still really like it, but it's just not one of my all-time favorites anymore. I just have other marshmallow scents that I like more, but it's still very pretty. I still wear it, and I do enjoy that one. But I had to get this. Really do like the scent of this, and for sure, I would pick up the body cream. I'm gonna pick up the body cream once they have a like $4.95 sale. I don't know what type of sales they're gonna be having, seeing as that, you know, they were saying the new CEO is trying to change a lot of things and trying to, you know, cut down on the sales and the coupons. If they do that, I feel like they're gonna lose a lot of like really loyal BBW consumers. You know, I know a lot of people will still do it for YouTube, but for me, if I gotta pay full price on a regular, absolutely not. It's not gonna happen. This one is so pretty. I do get the neroli in this one. I do get the marshmallow note. It's really sweet, very, very soft, really sugary too. So I like this one. If they do have a sale anytime soon, I would consider purchasing the Happy one. I don't know what it's called, but it's the Happy one because I think that one smelled really nice. I know they had like a salty one or sea salt one. I wasn't really into that. I want to re-smell the coconut, but I'm almost certain that I'm not into that one as well. Y'all know coconut is not really my thing. But yeah, you guys, that is it. Comment down below, let me know, did you guys pick up anything from the sale this weekend or the flash sale, the $5.95? It was like one day only and online only. I was kind of annoyed with that because I would have loved to go in the store and use the 20% off, but it is what it is. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.